Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to H World News. We are reporting on a stunning revelation that challenges our understanding of intelligence in the animal kingdom. A recent study has unveiled the remarkable learning abilities of box jellyfish, specifically the Tripodalia cystophora species. These gelatinous creatures, despite their lack of a traditional brain, have demonstrated an astonishing aptitude for adapting their behavior based on past experiences. This discovery has the scientific community buzzing with excitement and could offer crucial insights into the evolution of learning in animals. The research, led by Anders Garm, a biologist at the University of Copenhagen, and his team, delves into the intriguing world of these brainless marine organisms. What's particularly captivating about box jellyfish is their complex visual system, boasting a remarkable 24 eyes, which sets them apart from their more simplistic jellyfish relatives. However, beneath their translucent exteriors, these creatures are governed by a distributed network of neurons. To investigate their learning capabilities, scientists confronted the challenge of finding a behavior they could train the jellyfish to perform in a controlled laboratory environment. They honed in on a behavior observed in the wild, the rapid about-face maneuver executed by box jellyfish when approaching mangrove roots in the water. The reason behind this maneuver was puzzling. How do they gauge distances when water clarity fluctuates due to silt? The hypothesis emerged that these creatures must learn to adapt to shifting environmental conditions. To test this theory, researchers created an ingenious experiment. They lined the insides of buckets with alternating dark and light stripes to mimic the contrasting environment around mangrove roots. When the stripes represented optimal water clarity, the box jellyfish expertly avoided collisions with the bucket walls. However, when the contrast was reduced, the jellyfish started colliding. Incredibly, after just a few collisions, the jellyfish altered their behavior. Within a mere 8 minutes, they swam further from the pattern on the bucket walls and intensified their about-face maneuvers, showcasing their remarkable ability to learn from experience. But the revelations didn't stop there. The researchers decided to dig even deeper, removing visual neurons from the jellyfish and studying them in isolation. To simulate collisions, they showed these neurons striped images while administering a mild electrical pulse. Astonishingly, within roughly 5 minutes, the isolated neurons initiated the signal that would cause a complete box jellyfish to execute the about-face maneuver. The implications of this study are profound. Scientists are hailing this as a significant step forward in our understanding of the origins of learning. Only the third time that associative learning has been convincingly demonstrated in cnidarians, a group encompassing sea anemones, hydras, and jellyfish, this study stands out for its inclusion of physiological data. Moreover, the results suggest that box jellyfish may possess some form of short-term memory, as they can adjust their behavior based on prior experiences. A lingering question now is how long these remarkable creatures retain what they've learned. If they are removed from their environment for a time and then returned, do they need to learn anew? As the research advances, scientists aim to pinpoint the specific neurons responsible for this learning ability and unravel the molecular changes that occur as these animals incorporate new information into their behavior. This study has opened up a tantalizing question about the universality of learning among nerve cells, regardless of whether they are part of a traditional brain. It could provide insights into why nervous systems have persisted throughout evolutionary history. In a world where mysteries of the natural world continue to unfold, the box jellyfish's capacity to learn is yet another reminder of the extraordinary wonders that await our exploration, challenging our preconceived notions about intelligence and cognition in the animal kingdom. Remember to like and subscribe if you would like to hear more news stories like this.